Welcome to AFS Vision, the next generation platform for commercial lending. AFS Vision is a single system that is fully integrated digital solution that will modernize how you manage your entire commercial lending portfolio. Whether it is a commercial real estate loan, a C&I loan, a small business loan, a big syndicated deal, or an SBA loan that reports to the government. This platform is the complete life of the loan solution for commercial lending. Today, we're going to dive into custom fields. Custom fields in AFS Vision allow you to capture institution-specific data that isn't part of standard AFS Vision without requiring customization. These fields are configured centrally in system administration and then made available across servicing for consistent use, reporting, and workflow support. So no coding, no schema changed, and used for things like legacy identifiers. So configure once, reuse everywhere. Let me show you how easy it is to configure your own custom fields. I'm at the Message Center, and I'm going to open System Administration, where custom fields are defined and grouped. Then I'm going to go to the Fields Management tab and select the Custom Fields group. The first decision is should this field live? For example, at the customer, loan, or collateral level. This controls where users will see and maintain the field in the system. You can quickly create additional category fields by clicking the Add button, but for today, I'm going to add a new custom field at the obligor level. And as you can see, I have three groups. AFS Vision allows you to group your custom fields for easy entry, and you'll see what that looks like in a moment. So I'm going to click on my sustainable lending, and you will see all the custom fields attached to that group. I'm going to add a custom field to sustainable lending because I need to track those companies that are in process of transitioning to a low carbon emission status. The current type of data I want is started, in progress, and completed. So now I'm going to go to the field identifier and I'm going to search for my obligor custom fields. When I search, it will bring up all of the custom fields that are created for the obligor level. Not all of them are active. I want to search for the next field identifier, so I'm going to sort on field identifier. My next ID that I will be using will be 211. I'm now going to click Add and choose Custom Fields. And I'm now going to complete the required fields with the field identifier of 211. I'm going to give it a business-friendly label, such as transition status. And as you see, when I hit tab, the field name will automatically populate. I can give it a phrase ID. You have multiple options on the data type, but today I'm going to use alphanumeric, and I can pick my length. I'm going to choose 12 today, and then I'm going to add it to my sustainable lending. I also have the ability to add it to which modules. So do I just want to see it in syndication servicing? Do I need it in a deal amendment? Do I need it in post-approval workflow or account servicing? So I can just have it display in any one of those modules. I can just have it be editable in one of those modules, or I can make it displayed and editable in all modules or select them. And today I'm just going to leave it in all of them. So I can tell it how long history can be retained. Do I want it in my audit trail? Do I want it in my extracts? And then once I'm completed with my information, I'm just going to click accept, and you will see that 211 transition status has now been added. So now I need to put in those fields, the started, in progress, and completed. So I'm going to go to the valid values, and I'm going to click on my status, transition status, and I'm going to add my valid values. So my first one was started. And I'm going to give it a value of 1. And I can either have in range includes, range exclusive, but I'm just going to do the range equals, tell it okay. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to add my in process. Make this my second value and make it range equals. And then I'm going to go in and add my last value, which is completed. And hit accept. So I've now completed my pick list and I'm now done with my custom fields. You may have noticed this custom field migrations. This option allows you to import new custom fields, say from your test region, or you need to export your custom fields into an Excel spreadsheet. This particular tab allows you to do that. So now I'm going to switch over to the post approval work package to show you how the users will interact with this custom field. So I'm going to go in and look at my customers, and I want to look at my entity, and I'm going to hit edit, and I'm going to go to my custom fields. And you'll see now that I have transition status, and I can pick that this particular customer has started their transition and then click accept. And this will follow this workflow all the way through the life of the loan. You can also take a look at it in your servicing, any of your servicing. I'm just going to pull up a particular obligor or borrower. And again, I'm just going to go into edit, and I'm going to my custom and fields. And again, you will see that is now available. So you give it the option to put it where you want. So custom fields are especially valuable during conversions, operational changes. They allow institutions to preserve legacy attributes, flag loans for downstream processing, or support new workflows, all without altering core system behavior. Custom fields give you flexibility where you need it, while keeping the core AFS Vision platform standardized and supportable. You've been using loan systems for the last 30 years. Let me show you a system for the next 30 years. Thank you for spending some time with me today.